Hey there, what is up everyone? In this video I want to show you how to replace and repair the charger port on your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus.
Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now.
So let's get right into it. So first off, want to make sure that the phone is powered off. Then let's go ahead and remove the SIM card and SD card tray up at the top. Next up, we're going to need to give the phone heat here on the back cover. Either you can use a hairdryer or a heat gun. If you are, continue to move around. Never stay in one place so you don't burn the phone. You can also set it on a hot plate, which is what I prefer to use, and set it to about 110 degrees Celsius and leave it in there for a couple minutes. And keep in mind, there is going to be links down below in the description where you can get the parts and tools used for this repair. Once the phone is hot enough, go ahead and place some gloves on so that you don't burn yourself. We're going to be using a suction cup, plastic prying tools, or a business card as a prying tool. So go ahead and get the suction cup, place it towards the bottom of the phone where the charger port is, and we're going to give it pressure upwards until we see a slight opening. Once you see a slight opening, we're going to go ahead and place one of the prying tools in there to separate the back glass from the housing. Go ahead and pry it in there very gently and move it around from side to side to remove the adhesive. You can use the help of another prying tool as well. When you're moving around the corners, be very careful. So once you have some of the adhesive moved, we can go ahead and remove the suction cup. If the phone gets a little bit cold, go ahead and give it some more heat so that the adhesive can loosen up some more. You can fold your business card in half like this and use it as a prying tool as well. So continue to go around all of the sides of the phone on the back cover. Make sure not to stick the prying tool in too much so that you don't damage the wireless charger pad cables. And continue to go around all of these sides of the phone until the back cover starts lifting up a little bit. Once it does, you can go ahead and give it pressure upwards with your hands carefully. Wiggle it around. And also remember, there's going to be one flex cable connected. Let's release that. It's for the fingerprint sensor. Once you have that released, you can go ahead and remove the back cover off completely. Next up, we're going to be removing all of these small Phillips head screws holding down the plastic frame here. So we're going to go around and remove all of these screws with the Phillips head screwdriver. Next up, we're going to remove the adhesive holding down the black wireless charging pad, and we're going to pry up on it on the side here in the plastic, and it will come out completely. So let's go ahead and disconnect the battery cable here to stop any electricity from flowing through the phone. And then we're going to need to remove a small Phillips head screw here right above the battery. That's holding down the motherboard. Once you have that out of the way, we can go ahead and lift up on the motherboard gently. Disconnect the antennas at the bottom and pry down on the charger port cable flex down here to release it from the motherboard. There we go. And the motherboard will come off completely. So now that we have the motherboard out of the way, we can go ahead and remove the Phillips head screws holding down the charger port. Then we're going to go ahead with the screwdriver and pry up here on the headphone jack, disconnect it, and it comes out in one piece. We're going to pry up on the charger port very carefully, and it comes off as well in one piece. There we go. This is the charger port for your Galaxy S9 Plus. So once you have that out of the way, we're going to go ahead and get your new charger port and place it back in very carefully. Place it correctly, and we're going to place everything back together in reverse order. Alright, and that was just a quick video on how to take apart and replace the charger port on your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus.
Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.